Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, as you can see on your screen, tire pressure low, add air. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add air into your tires, car tires, okay, or you can say how to adjust pressure. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. So guys, if you get a warning like this, first of all, there's nothing to worry about it because it's a very natural process, okay? Because your tire loses pressure, it's like expected. And because I have TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, I get this warning that the pressure is low, so I'm going to adjust. So what you need is you need to have a good device that you can use. So I have this one. This I had purchased from Amazon and I have used it in past also, and it gets powered with this cigarette lighter. So that I'm going to put it in over here. I just took my dash cam out and I'm going to put this in. Okay, of course I need to get out and do the stuff. Okay, so how it does is, you see PSI unit is being used. So I'm gonna preset this on the recommended PSI level, then I'm gonna connect it to my wheels, and then I'm gonna start it so that air gets in. Okay, so the very first thing you should know is that what is the PSI recommended for your tires, and I'll tell you how you can find it. You can always read it in your owner manual, but even in your car itself you can find it. So on the driver side door you will find a label like this, or it could be at other places also in your car, where you can see it determines front, rear, okay, size is mentioned, and cold tire pressure. So 33 psi is for both, and for spare tire it's 60 psi. So I'm not going to put air in my spare tire, but in other tires. Okay, so this you should know. Next is bring it near to the tire. See, it's near, and now I'm gonna use it. So first I'm gonna preset, like you remember it was on 33, so I'm gonna do okay, 33 it's set. Now I'm gonna take this cap off, put it down. So this is open and this is closed. So I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna begin with. Okay, so I adjusted it, and now I have preset value. I'm gonna push the power button and it's gonna begin. You can see it's increasing slowly. Once it reaches the preset value, it will stop automatically. So it reached the preset value and it got stopped automatically. Now I'm just gonna take the valve out, and after that I'm gonna push this cover back in. Oh. Okay. So with this step, the warning that you saw here is gone already. So that's how simple it is, guys. And I always carry it, this device, as part of my car emergency kit. So that is why I can use it anywhere I want to, and it works excellently well, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you feel about it and how easy it is. And it's like, to be honest, guys, this is an excellent device. I purchased it in 2020, and even in 2025 this is working excellently well for me. Thanks, guys.